Hi, Professor. My name is Vishal Chawda, and here I am demonstrating my ICE5. And here is so first I will run the emulator. So I will show you output, and then I will turn by turn explaining my code and my UML diagram. So the first, as I didn't do the ICE4, so I follow your code in the class, and here is it some example. Like you can see there is a dot over there, and I can do plus minus over there as well. And if I backspace it, just wait a sec. Okay, so here is a backspacing, as you will see, like it taking a time. Like my emulator is slow, then it's slow, then I put a dot. Oh, then I put a dot, then it goes 0 2 2 plus minus sign over there as well, and it also function the clear screen as well. Okay, so my output is done. Now here I'm explaining my code as well to you, as I follow your code in the class, and I created the ICE4 as well, and then I converted to my calculator class here as well. Here is my calculator class. So for that, just as you saying, create the functions for that as well, operand buttons, and here I created the two private functions like number buttons and the operator buttons as well. And here is the function as well. And for here is my activity main, like my two diagrams, UML diagram. As you see, there is a binding which is a private, so it's a minus, and then the activity main on create. So main function for the on create functions. Same with the calculator. Calculator has a binding and the result is a string. Then the first is a create button reference. As I mentioned, like all the buttons are on that things, and there are two variables on that as well. And here are the number button operators for that. So this is the attribute, as you will see, and this is my operand, and this is my come on, and this is my attribute, and the other ones are my operations, as you will see over here. And this is a public price glasses as well. There is a plus sign over there as well. So here is my UML diagram to you, and as you will see, if I follow your code as well. So the first, like when there is a dot sign, if there is a no text view, then contains dot, and there is another if on that as well. Result, same, I use the if else function just like you did in the class, as same as the clear function, but for the plus and minus I use my different logic on that. Like I created like if button, then if it's not equal to 0, then it will do like binding to string and contains the dot, and then is equal to double sign, and I multiply by -1, so it's going to be minus on that string, and the result will be printed out over here. And then the else, like if it's a not dot, then it's also do the same like integer. It's a multiply by 1 and it's to string, the same thing which I did. And here is I'm building the logic for the next my for my next operators for that in the assignment. So here is it, and here I'm closing my video. Okay.